All right, guys, I am standing right here in the heart of downtown Redwood City, next to my favorite fountain. How about this? Hi, this is h.chan from Golden Gate Sotheby's International Realty, and I am standing in front of my new listing at 1251 Fernside in beautiful Redwood City. Before we go in, check out this beautiful tree-lined street. Isn't it gorgeous? So my client and old friend picked up this fixer about 6 months ago and spent time here renovating the place into a beautiful, luxurious, modern house in a prime location in Redwood City. So I can't wait to show you what's inside. Follow me. Oh, guys, before I forget, this front porch area is one of my favorites because imagine putting a bench here with a little side table and just sitting here and reading on your iPad, enjoying the blue sky and the green foliage every single day. P.S. To be a realtor now, Pilates, yoga. Oh, guys, I love this space so much. The second you walk in here, it just feels so nice and airy. You've got a little shoe area, a mirror area for your art, and then a living room, so spacious, with dual pane windows facing the yard. And then look, open concept kitchen which flows right into the living room, so great for entertaining while you're cooking up a storm. Look how big this is, and gas too. Beautiful cabinets, all in glamorous white. And then, woo, lovely fireplace for this warm, cozy winters, which leads straight to the eating area here. And this transitions straight into my favorite part, the backyard. Guys, one of the best features of this house is the yard, in my personal opinion. We're on 6272 square feet of flat parcel, no direct rear neighbors, so great for privacy. But what I love the most, honestly, is how many options there are here. Look, there is a lounge zone here, tea lights, do a little fire pit. To my right, you could do long dining al fresco here, or even build a small kitchenette here with a fireplace. Perfect. Small garden, meandering walking path here, and another seating area to, read your Danielle Steele novel in the summer, enjoying the summer sun, right? Or, I don't know, do a whole lawn and put a small pool in. Whatever works for you. I mean, it's like a blank canvas. Ooh, I'm getting a workout. I need an Arnold Palmer. Can you give me an Arnold Palmer? Thank you. Light ice. Thank you. Come on over. Property is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, all on a single story. So fantastic for level in, level out. Great starter home or downsizing property. Now, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Back here are 2 bedrooms, a full bath here for your guests, and then here is the primary ensuite. Loving the barn doors, closets, recessed lights, and I love this paneling that my client has done for the walls. It's really kind of a chic hotel boutique vibe. And my favorite are these lights here. Who needs a circle ring lamp when you have this all day long to pound your face with makeup? Oh, the acoustics here are really good, actually. No, in all seriousness, this is the hall bathroom for your guests. Shower tub combo, very convenient if you need to wash little ones or pets. Yeah, it's very glamorous. Luxuriate all day long here. You deserve it. Yes, you do, ma'am. Plenty of storage space upstairs. Let's not forget the garage, guys. Like, aside from these glamorous doors, check these out. I love the fact that you already have 2-car parking in front, and this garage, look at how spick and span it is. This could be a fantastic gym, home office, plenty of electrical already, so this could also be maybe a media room, a playroom, blank canvas, bonus flex zone. Let's talk location. Just a few blocks away is 42 acres of Stulsaft Park, full of hiking, trails, playgrounds, picnic areas, wildlife, plants galore. I mean, it is a nature lover's paradise here, right in your backyard practically. Oh, this is, oh my God. It's been 30 years since I've slid into anything, unless you count DMs. JK, all right. Guys, I am still at the park enjoying 42 acres of playland. Do you dare me to come down here? I'm in downtown Redwood City. Look at how gorgeous this is. City Hall, Fox Theater, Phil's Coffee, Century, Cinemax. There's tons of things to do here. You'll never be bored. And best of all, it's great for commuters because Redwood City is in between SF and Silicon Valley. So bada bing, bada boom, great for work. Anywho. Well, that pretty much sums up my listing tour for 1251 Fernside in beautiful Redwood City. Give me a ring anytime or slide into my DMs for a tour. Remember, utter renovation, luxury top to bottom in a prime location. What more could you possibly want? Bye.